Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up Snapchat, then click on your profile icon on the top left. Then once you're on here, click on the settings cog on the top right. And then just scroll down and you should see just above public profile settings, app appearance. So you just want to tap on there. And this will give you three options. So obviously it should be set as always light, but you can obviously change it to always dark. Then you have custom app theme. If you go in custom app theme, you will have to pay for this. So if you come out here, click on always dark, and this will just let you know switching themes means we'll need to restart the app. Make sure you've saved anything important. So if you're happy with all that, select restart now. And once you go back to your profile, you'll see it's set up in dark mode. So that's how you can turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.